So this is my new home. This is the living room area. Lots of space for the couch. Kitchen. Love the black appliances. All right, laundry room in here. One bathroom here. Sorry, this is such a quick tour. All right, it's another bedroom. Wow, what was that noise? Okay, here's another bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom home, BT dub, guys. And I love that there's I'm like really obsessed with like doors having all matching door handles. Tile closet, bathroom closet. All right. Pantry. Wow, they left some baby stuff. People who lived here before, LOL. All right, here's the sink. Now let's go check out the master. Oh wait, part of the living room is this area here. This is like a nice cocktail living room extra situation going on. Hall closet for the coats. Perfect, perfect. They left some hangers. All right, and here, the master bedroom. This is where all the magic is gonna happen. And let's see the master bath. Look at this. Sun can come on through, toilet. We've got a shower. Ooh, and they left a shower caddy. Garden tub and the walk-in closet. That was super important, walk-in closet. So yeah, his and her sinks. Me and my boo. All right, and now let's go check out the backyard. All right. My puppy's gonna have so much fun back here. This is the backyard, my friends. It's got a shed. That is a plus. Love it. This is just so spacious. Shed for all of my event planning stuff. Like, this is just excellent. Excellent, excellent. So as y'all can see, I am loving my new home so far. I can't wait to show you guys how I decide to decorate the house. So yeah, thanks for coming along this journey. This was just a short tour to show you guys what the inside looks like. I'll show some pictures as a progression later on when I make another video to show you when I actually put everything together, but that's the before. So I'll take lots of pics and then make sure you're staying tuned to watch the after when I put everything together. So thank you guys for watching this short, quick video as I give you a tour of my new home. I'm a first-time homeowner. I'm so excited and happy about this experience, and I'm so happy to share it with you guys. So peace. See y'all next time. Bye.